Hey, Windows Fixer here. Ever upgraded to Windows 11 or installed a fresh copy only to see two OS options on startup? Don't worry, today I will show you a quick and easy method to clean up that boot menu and remove the extra OS entry. No more confusion when starting up your PC. Let's jump right in and make your system boot cleaner and faster. Bro, the method is pretty simple and easier. Simply you need to hold Windows plus R key and type here the msconfig, or even you can search here msconfig and you will see here system configuration. Simply open this window, the small window, go into the boot. You will see here all the boot entry over here. Now choose the specific OS that you want to delete or the entry that you want to delete. Simply choose and then click on delete. Even though you can set as default, if you have two OS, then you can set as default the one that you like, and that's it guys. That's the simple method. Then hit apply and okay. Now you can simply restart your PC whenever you want. In my case, I'm not restarting right now, but you can restart your PC and you will not see there's two OS, and that's it. Simple, right? Now your PC will boot directly to the Windows without any unnecessary options slowing you down. If this helped, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Don't forget to comment below if you have any other question or suggestion for further tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.